County in north-central Georgia, east-central Henry County in north-central Georgia, south-central Walton County in north-central Georgia, north-central Butte County in central Georgia, northwestern Jasper County in central Georgia, Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:02 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rocky Plains, Oregon, 11 miles east of McDonough, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Porterdale, Worthville, Starkville, Brick Store, Covington, Stewart, Newborn, Farrar, Rutledge, North Alcovy, Social Circle, Centreville, Oxford, and Rocky Plains. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.